Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I have a 10 by 10 inch canvas and I want to make a small scape starting with the sky. I'm going to use some white metallic from Anita's and my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula from Good Grips. It's on my Amazon link. So we've spread some Anita's white metallic. I'm going to use a little bit of water lily right along the blade of my spatula. I'm going to add a little bit more. Actually, I'm just going to add some Groovy Guava. I'm going to throw some Decor Americana 24 karat gold into my bottom, along with a little burnished copper, Vivid Intense from Colourarte. And some Tuscan gold, also Vivid Intense from Colourarte. I've got silver from Decor, a little Burmese red, just because it's handy. It may not be that handy if I can't get it to come out. There we go. And shake the Fandango, because I remember what it's like when I don't. It's been a couple days since I've been in my studio. Now, I've got warm caramel also, and I think I'm going to use it. I'm going to take a chance and not shake it. It's a very coppery brown. It's beautiful. Also, Egyptian coin. So, like I said, Egyptian coin. And I think either teal, yeah, maybe teal. Vivid Intense teal. I've got one more color. I get carried away. I might have more than one color, you never know. This is Indigo Violet. Now I've got to wipe off my tools and or throw them in the bucket and grab a swipe tool for the Australian Floetrol Amsterdam Black combination. No paint chips allowed, please. Now I want to go across the top. So I'm going to go from the right hand side where I started. I'm trying to use up this little container. Actually, I think I want to go up and down. I'll go across first and then I'll go up and down. Sounds like a good plan to me. Only I don't think I want to use the same tool. So I'm going to grab a playing card, if I can find one easily, or something similar. I had one a minute ago. There we go. Okay. Playing card, that's beautiful. Let's see if I've got enough to do anything else with. kind of want to do the whole length of the card, but I don't actually have that much cell activator left. I'm going to try the wide edge and see if I can make it work. And I might have to tip that up again. I'm going to grab one of my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. Use the extra paint on my card. Maybe smooth that paint right down over the edge and up into that. Now that's pretty cool. And I could stop there. But my intention was to do some trees, the balloon roll. I haven't given up that idea completely, but I am going to throw these two tools in the bucket. So I'm not sure where the lid to that went, or even if I need it anymore since it's mostly empty. I'm going to grab a little bit of water lily. I don't know, it's been a long time since I did a balloon roll. And some of this Egyptian coin. And a little bit of the Fandango. Strange color combination, but it seems to be working for the lower part, so I'm going to try the indigo violet for the upper. And maybe top it off with some warm caramel. They're surreal trees, for certain. Grab a skewer. It's not a very attractive combination as far as I can tell right now. I wonder if I still have a glove. I blow up the tips of... I still have a glove. This is a fingertip from a glove. Alright, so I'm going to come up from the bottom. Where the purple is going to be the trunks. So I think that's pretty much what I had in mind, with the possible exception of dropping a sun in there, which I really could do. I've got some yellow orange. And I could blow it out. I could even drag it out with a skewer if I wanted to. Straw would be helpful. Clean skewer would help. Just Just drag the skewer back and forth ever so lightly. I could even dip it into some white metallic and make it look like it's got clouds in front of it. I don't think I've ever really just dragged the skewer through and messed up a sun like that. I kind of like it. And if I don't like it tomorrow, I can probably do something to it. But in the meantime, I kind of want to do something else to that sky, but it's kind of too late, actually. I'm going to use the colors in my dish to fix my bottom and my edges. So I'm staring at this sun and I want a little orange dot in the middle, and I'm not sure if I'm going to overdo it, so I'm going to put some in my dish. Hope I don't pick. Kind of too cute. I'll make it less cute, and that'll make it more realistic. That kind of works. I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm back and I want to fix my sky. I've got some plum blossom. And I wasn't going to, but I am going to put a little bit of Whispering Wisteria in there, if it's open. That's a lot. That's probably more than I intended. I'm also going to use a little bit of Oriental Blue. Let's put it up there. I've got some pink carnation standing by. Yeah, I'm good with that. Now I'll take my skewer. Brighten up my trees some. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel, And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.